Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. This video I'm going to show you the Bank Nifty weekly option trading strategies, how it should be the profitable, and a lot of questions about my previous videos about Bank Nifty weekly option hedging strategy. So that I'm going to explain in this video. So if you have any doubts, so you will again comment and we will clear you. And what are the doubts which people are messaging on the um, that comments, so that I am going to explain you right now. So whether while we are buying options, we are paying total premium is under risk. Okay, if you are a seller, if the market moves again over your strike prices, you are going to lose money. So both the trades, either it is a buy trade or it is a sell trade, both having risk. So what we are doing in a financial market to manage the risk is the business. So once you are manage your risk, either selling side or buying side, both are best to make money. So you have to understand one important thing. So any instrument, any financial instrument, it have the risk. So once you know how to manage the risk, then the trade should be profitable, or the total trading days or whatever you do per monthly basis or yearly basis, total thing will be a profitable one. So that you have to understand, the people telling you selling options is high risky and buying option is the low risk. It's not that. So whether you are going to manage your risk, whether it is a buy or it is a sell in options, so that once you understood that logic, so your trade should be good and better. Okay, so here I'm going to show you the Bank Nifty levels for the next week, that is the monthly expiry options. Based on that, we are going to do some other option strategies, so which is giving you profit or not, we are going to decide. Okay, and before going to the video, anyone who new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. So what we are doing on our trading sessions or even our trade styles, we are predicting the market, or we are finding the range of the stock. Once we find out, we are going to apply the trade strategies which should be a best trading strategy. We have I'm teaching you some about advanced option trading strategies. It consists of 5 advanced trading strategies full of hedging trades. Okay, you once you find out the range and everything about the stock, so you can apply any one of the trade strategies for the stock which is suitable, and also risk potential and reward potential. Okay, and the margin benefits also. So once we calculated all the things, we are going to decide the trade, whether we are going to do which kind of trade strategies that we are teaching on our paid lessons. So one of the paid strategy which we are already given for a screening or a demo purpose, so that strategy also I am going to explain here. That is a 3:2 or 2:1 trading strategy that I am going to explain. So before going to the video, kindly make subscribe, and if you have any other questions, you can comment it out, and like my videos if you like, and share to your friends. Okay, right now I'm going to analyze whether I'm going to buy or sell Bank Nifty. Okay, if I'm going to buy, where it can go, or if I am going to sell, where it go down. So this thing which I understood before entering into the trade, my trade should be the best thing, right? Now Bank Nifty is current market price is 17,939, so it's approximately near about 18,000. So we have to find out the IV and historical volatility. We will follow this website. It's a time less time consuming. We directly find out the IV and HV2. Both we can find out for any stocks, uh, any index. Okay, so we are going to take Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty IV is currently trading. You can see, sorry. So we will directly check here option dashboard, and I'm going to find out the Bank Nifty IV. You see that the Bank Nifty IV is around 50.59, almost the 12% it decreases. Okay, 12% it decreases from yesterday's close. Okay, and price increases by 2%. So the high volatility a little bit reduced up to 12%. Maybe tomorrow there may be less volatile compared to today. Okay, but even though 50 percentage of the volatility, if the stock having, how many points it will move, and we want to find out historical volatility, we can get that historical volatility from NSE website. After opening NSE website, you can go with the future derivative column. So there you can easily find out what are the historical volatility about index or stocks, whatever you want. You can easily find out from NSE website itself. Okay, so it is take a time, it's loading, let's leave it. And the volatility is 50. And now what is the day is for expiry? Almost 2 5 and 9 days is for the next expiry. Total we have 9 days for the expiry. Now that's open, and Bank Nifty, I just opened the Bank Nifty where I find out the historical volatility. Once I know the historical volatility and implied volatility, I'm going to find out the range. Okay, here there's other information. You can see 77 is the annualized volatility. The annualized volatility is nothing but historical volatility. So here 77.02 is the annualized volatility, and we have another 9 days is for the expiry. And based on implied volatility, so we have 50%, 50.59 implied volatility, we have 9 days is for the expiry. Okay, after loading my total points, I'll getting that movement of the Bank Nifty where I can expect the stock will move up or down. So I have used this formula with my Excel sheet, so very easily I can find out the range and everything. Okay, using my Bank Nifty current market price is 17,939. that is what the current market price where Bank Nifty is settled today. And based on the historical volatility, Bank Nifty is move more than 2000 point expected, and 1400 point, at least bare minimum the 1400 point we can expect. If this kind of expected movement, either from this particular point Bank Nifty at 17,939, from this particular point either Bank Nifty will move 20,100 or 15,769. So these are my maximum expected. This is my maximum expected range for the Bank Nifty. This is what my maximum. So 20,000 is my maximum expected from this particular point if the historical IV historical volatility it is happened. And the same time the minimum expected level is 1400 points. So you have to understand the Bank Nifty will move minimum of 1400 points or maximum of 2100 points as per historical volatility. So we calculated based on historical volatility, these are the range. And based on implied volatility, so implied volatility, the maximum implied volatility is 1400 point movement, 1420 point movement, and minimum movement is 970 points. Okay, now you know the ranges for the Bank Nifty. So we have to find out 18,000 call option and put option, because that 18,000s were ATM options. Using that ATM options, we are going to follow the strategy. So now if I'm thinking that there will be a bullishness in the market from 18,000, so minimum I'm expecting, so the minimum level in minimum level about historical volatility is 1400 points, and maximum level in implied volatility is 1400 points. So I decided the Bank Nifty will near about moving around 1400 points in the next 9 days. I'm not telling about today or tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So up to 28th expiry. So I'm calculating the levels for 28th expiry options, not for today, tomorrow's expiry options. So just understand for next week, because we are a option buyer, we have the more time to hold the positions. That is the time value. So if you have less time value, the premium erode will happen very quickly. If it is the option which is a longer expiry, it have the more time value and the premium will not erode very as fast of the shorter expiry. So that you have to understand from this kind of trades option buying. So if you are selling options, you shorter expiry is quite good for selling options, because the time value is keeps going very quick and the premium eroded, so seller makes money. When the time value is more, so the premium will not erode as much the shorter expiry. So that you must understand. Okay, so these are the levels which I taken. So now as per my strategy, I'm just doing, I'm going to take uh, any direction. So both the directions you can try to trade. Now I'm just building a strategy with the option strategy builder. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to 18,000 call option, that is 28th May, not by tomorrow's expiry contract. It is trading around 474. For example, if I was a bullish about this bank nifty, understood, I'm going to make a bullish. So I'm just simply buying three call options where I was buying the three call options. So this is my trade, but my maximum loss in this particular position is around 28,000, where my investment, that is what my maximum investment amount, it is my premium, and my break even, it's around 804 18,474, because I paid the premium. So whenever market moves above this level, as per settlement, you are going to make profit. Even if started moving market moving started upside, so the premium also increase. Okay, but theoretically you are going to make money more than 18,471 only. So now my bullish, if market goes bearish, I'm going to lose money. So that is the logic. And what I'm going to do to protect myself, I'm going to buy the put option, but not a three quantity. I'm going to add two quantities. Why? Because of my view on the direction is bullish. Now the strategy is ready, and you see that the maximum loss for the trade is 49,000. Yeah, same like that, but here there will be a protection is there somewhat. Okay, if market the last naked strategy, if you are checking only market bullish, that time only you are going to make. If it is market bearish, that time you are not going to make money. So that you have to understand, and what should be the payoff. Okay, so we calculated roughly the market is uh, 18,000. The current market price is 18,000. It's exactly, if you are calculating, you are bullish if market increases by 828 point. So your position start make money as per theoretical. Okay, it's not about um, it I'm telling about the expiry value basis. So this is what 820 points movement in upside, you are started going to make money. In case if bank nifty goes bearish, okay, so this is called edging strategy. If bank nifty goes bearish, uh, 16,758, that means you are going to take around 1,200 points down. This is what your plus value, and this is what your minus value. If bank nifty moves down 1,250 points, your positions also going to make money. So if market goes down, this scenario, you are going to, your position is going to make money. This is what your bullish value, because you are bullish, that is why in your bullish side your cost price is less than 800 point, or near about 800 point. If it is goes bearish, if market moves against you 1,200 points down, means this strategy will generate you the profits, either the side. So here I'm thinking that I was a bullish about the stock, I just taken bullish trade, but to protect myself I was taken a bearish too. So it looks like edging, and you decide, and you have to understand there will be a 1,400 point movement expected for a bank nifty both the sides. I'm not finding the direction, but if I know there will be a 1,400 points movement in a bank nifty, either the direction, right? But if my cost price in between that 400,400 points, so that's simply telling me there will be a profitable in this trade if you are doing both the sides. So either it is a bearish or it may be a bullish trade, so you are going to make money. Okay, so that is the thing. So you must understand, but this is a positional trade. I am not going to use for this strategy on intraday basis. It is a positional kind of trade once you are doing your positional, and here also we are taking this much of risk, but this is the risk which applicable only just a 50 percentage of the time, but most of the time market moves either the direction, in any one direction it should move, but high volatile, it will not sustain on the same range. So 100% sure there will be a movement expected both the sides, and this is what we are discussing, that is the that is based on theoretical value. And um, if market moves from 18,000, if it is moves by 18,400 level, you are going to get 10,000 rupees profit on a next trading session. And if it is moves and you are going to make theoretical value is around 8,100. If Bank Nifty moves somewhere around 500 points tomorrow, if you are executing the trade by tomorrow morning, and the same day if Bank Nifty moves 500 points, and in T plus 2 the trade days, and the trade days if it is happened, so you are going to make 9,000 rupees profit. That you have to understand. The blue line is a trade days. If you are executing the trade on the same day, if it has happened, you are going to make money. And downside also, if market goes down by somewhere around 17,300, that means if Bank Nifty moves 600 points down, your position is started making money, because this strategy you are finding, and you are making this strategy for a bullish trade, not for bearish trade. It is the trade where you are finding out for a bullishness. And the same time, if you are doing a bearish trade, so what the simple changes is, you are buying 2 call to protect your investment in a put options, and you believe that there will be a bearish in the market, you are buying 3 puts. Okay, so here you see that your break even 17,153, that is around 800 point, and here 1,270 points. So here what you have to understand, if market moves, because this direction which I've taken for a bearish case, so I am thinking that there will be a bearishness in the market, where 17,150 is my cost price, from 18,000 almost 850 point is my downside. So when market moves below 850 points, I'm going to make money. If or else if Bank Nifty moves positive, I'm going to do 1,270 points or 1,200 points plus. If market moves 1,000, both the scenarios I'm going to make money. Here the investment record is 50,700, there the investment is 49,000, both the sides. So the logic which you have to understand, this strategy which we are applicable or which you are applied for a non-directional trade. It's a kind of non-directional. We don't know the direction about the stock, or we don't know the direction about the particular index, but we can make the strategy, because we know that there will be a 1,400 point expected move for a Bank Nifty plus or minus. But from this 18,000, if it is move positive, my position is started going to make money, or if it is going negative, I'm going to make money. So what the benefit about this trading strategy, whenever your direction open, you are going to make huge money. When your direction is not open, you are not lose much money, your loss is protected, and you are going to be somewhere even you can ending with the no loss or minimum profit on the opposite direction too. When I'm taking the position on a long side, I'm expecting long in a position, but market is totally negative, I'm going to start making money. But if market totally positive, I'm going to start making smaller amount, right? So if you are right, I'm going to make huge. If you are wrong, I'm not losing money. So that is the thing which we have already told you and shown that the strategy. But real trade we booked it out, but that strategy which is showing you right now, this is the trade where we have done on the last week 19,700 call option put option. So that is what our last Wednesday, I think. This is the price. Here I did the strategy for a long side, but here you see that my overall premium is 40,000 loss, but the put option where I 2 lot it's recovered up to 43,000. I was in the minimum profit. Now this trade which I took take for the long direction, but totally market was down direction. This is my upside direction, market is totally goes wrong side, but even though this position managing me the profit, but somewhere it is giving me more than 15-16,000 when the Bank Nifty comes around 17,300 level. But as of now, still the position is in profit, but I was wrong in my direction. And this is the position where I directly pick it out the right in direction, where I am going to take 19,600 2 lots and 19,600 3 lots. This position is totally making me huge money, where I am profit of 35,000. If anyone who do both the sides, you are going to make somewhere around 38,000 with the investment of 1.2 lakh. So you have to understand what should be the trade strategies. Whether people asking about, sir, if market is not moving on the same range, so we are losing the total premium. Yes, it is absolutely right. You are going to lose your total premium if market moves on the same range, or it is sustained on the same level. But the IV it not only indicating the expected movement there. If based on the IV, the stock also rallied, and historical volatility also telling you how the stock is performing past. Based on the past history, we are expecting by the historical implied volatility, then we finding out or we are deciding the range for the stock. Once we find out the range, we are going to make the strategy where whether the stock is suitable for a buy or not. So after finding out whether the stock is suitable for a buy, so we are going to find out the buy opportunity, or if the stock is not suitable for a buy, so we are going for a short opportunity. There is short call, short put, and lot of option trading strategies with advanced options strategies also there to make money. So that is what the logic where we are going to find out. So last week we expected there will be more than 1500 points, so that happened. Both the sides we are making money. So here if you don't know the direction, so you can use simply the super trend and lot of indicators. So see, simply super trend, I tell you, if tomorrow any sell signal, because it is already in buy, if tomorrow any sell signal will came, so I'll go for a short side, that is 3 put 2 call option. And if the trend continues, I'll make money, so there no doubt on that. If it is changing the direction, so without disturbing my short positions, I will make a long positions which will give me a edging kind of trades, and I will wait for a next 1 week. So meanwhile trades I will not try to take that. So this is my concept where we are doing on our trades based on the system. So that is working very well. If you like this system, you can also try to do, but with the limited quantity you can try, or you can do the paper test, and then you can start making that. And if you want to learn my paid strategies, you can contact me, and you will be getting more benefit about my paid strategies. And also anyone who interested to open a trading account, so you can also open a trading account and you start doing with me and lot of calls. So we are also taken today's trade, and we booked somewhere around 20,000 rupees in the intraday profits. So we are doing intraday trades also. And anyone who want to trade with edging option strategies, you are also welcome to join my trading group, and you will be getting lot of edging options trading strategies that will give you more beneficial trade to you for an intraday and positional basis. Thank you for watching this video, and thanks for being with me. And kindly make subscribe, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.